Welcome to the Netacad CCNA Live class of session 2026. If you're serious about building a career in networking, you are in the right place. Hi, my name is Muhammad Musa. I have worked as network and cloud engineer for over 15 years. I have been a certified NetAcad instructor for more than 10 years. I'm also a Cisco Champion 2025, and I hold certifications like CCNA, CCNP, AWS Solutions Architect Associate, and Azure Administrator. So you're not just learning from a teacher, you're learning from someone who lives this in the real world. Now, let me say this very clearly. If you haven't worked on real world projects, you have no job readiness. And if you have no hands on practice on network devices, you have not developed real skills. CCN is about understanding how networks actually work in the real world. It proves that you can design real small and medium-sized networks. You can configure routers and switches the way companies use them in real world. You can secure traffic, and you can troubleshoot real-world problems. So CCN is a proof that you're ready for these jobs. And that's exactly what I will be teaching you in this course. You get 3 months of 100% live classes with a certified NetAcad instructor, which includes not just NetAcad content, but real-world projects to show you what is expected from you in real jobs. You'll get lab support via our WebEx groups anytime inside our groups, which is available 24/7. You get full recordings of every lecture, every class, and all the lab solutions with packet tracer files and recordings of the solutions as well. You'll get your own NetAcad account with access to Introduction to Network, Switching, Routing, and Wireless Essentials, Enterprise Networking Security, and Automation. Once you complete all these 3 courses, you will get credibly verified digital badges, and you'll also get Cisco NetAcad course completion certificate as well. Now, on top of that, you will also get a 58% CCNA exam discount voucher, which, by the way, is not guaranteed for all students, but most of my students do get it. More details about that in my no-show details page that I will provide in the description. Here's an example of some of my students from 2024 and 2025 batches, people who started exactly where you are today and are now certified, confident, and working in IT roles. They got course completion certificates, they got credibly verified digital badges, they can showcase on their resumes and social media. They went on and used their discount vouchers and really got certified. Here's how a discount voucher of a 58% in NetAcad account looks like. I have a lot of testimonial on public platforms that I have provided links for that you can check out. Here's how the class will run. We meet twice every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, starting from 21st February 2026. Each session begins at 11 p.m. Pakistan time, which is a 6 p.m. UTC and 10 p.m. Dubai time. So you can do your conversions from whichever time zone you are. You don't have to worry about missing live lectures because I will be providing full recordings of all the lecture classes and video guide solutions with all the information you needed for your weekdays practices. And if you have missed any live classes on weekend, you can always catch up with the recordings, and support will be available for you 24/7 if you're stuck doing any practice. The regular fee for this 3-month live CCNA training is $150, but for the first 20 students only, I'm offering an early bird price of just $99. So to get this offer, I have provided the link. This link is also available in the video descriptions. The discount code is already applied on it, but remember, this is only available for first 20 seats. As soon as 20 purchases are made, it goes back to $150 automatically. So if you are serious about starting your CCNA journey, you have to register quickly. If you have any other questions, you can send me email to musa.kdk@gmail.com. I have further details on my Notion page. The link for that is also provided in description, but we can quickly go through it to show you what other things you can check out before registering for this class. Over here, you can find more details about this course. So here are some details about CCNA and the course breakdown at Netacad for CCNA Introduction to Networks, Switching, Routing, and Wireless Essentials, and Enterprise Network Security and Automation. If you click on each of them, it will take you to the course breakdown and all the modules and details that you can check out for the checkpoints exam and the final exams and packet tracer labs, etc. So this one has like 14 modules. This is Switching, Routing, and Wireless Essential. It has 16 modules, and Introduction to Networks, which has about 17 modules. And it has some of information about myself, my LinkedIn profile that you can check out. I have a YouTube channel where I have sample classes that I have taken in previous courses and batches. You can click on that and watch me teaching students, showcasing labs in packet tracer and giving you solutions and explaining OSPF in this case. There are a bunch of other videos that you can check as well. Here are more details about the course, what you'll be getting in the course, and who is this for. And here is the link for registration. So you can click on this link. It will take you a coffee where the discount is already applied for first 50 students who purchase them. You can click on them and make a purchase. Once you make a purchase, you will get a self-enrollment link for Netacad. But don't worry if you miss that. You can just always send me an email with a proof of your purchase, and I will be sending you other details on how to join the class, how to enroll in Netacad, and how to join the WebEx, where we will be taking class and giving you support for everything. Here's the class schedule. And there are a bunch of other testimonials with links, so you can click on them and see what other students are talking about these courses and how they have benefit from it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the class.